Welcome to Winner's Bench. The best Polygrip Scope is probably one of the most essential products for denture wearers, offering a secure and comfortable fit throughout the day. This video will dive deep into the world of Polygrip Scope, exploring its unique features and benefits. We'll examine how it works, its effectiveness in preventing slippage, and its impact on overall oral health. Get ready to discover why Polygrip Scope might just be the perfect solution for a confident smile. Number 5. Super Poligrip Zinc-Free Denture Adhesive Cream. This is Super Poligrip, a denture adhesive cream. It is designed to provide a strong hold and keep you confident all day long. The cream offers a strong hold for up to 12 hours. This means you can enjoy your day without worrying about your dentures. It seals out up to 74% more food particles. This helps prevent irritation and keeps your mouth feeling fresh. The formula is zinc-free and contains no artificial colors or flavors. This ensures a comfortable and natural experience. Super Poligrip helps seal and protect, giving you confidence throughout the day. You can eat, speak, and smile with ease. What we like. This product offers a strong, all-day hold, ensuring your dentures stay secure. The zinc-free formula is gentle on your gums, and it helps to prevent irritation by keeping out food particles. If you are looking for a reliable adhesive that prioritizes both hold and comfort, you should consider this. What people say. Polygrip Scope Dental Adhesive provides a strong hold. It has a fresh, clean taste. It helps to seal out food particles. Number 4. MASTERMEDI Zinc Oxide Eugenol Dental Care Kit. This kit is designed for immediate dental solutions. It's perfect for temporary fillings, as well as securing bridges and caps. It provides a quick and effective way to address dental needs. The cement offers high strength for reliable performance. It is also self-curing, meaning it sets on its own without needing special equipment. This makes the process simple and efficient. The cement adheres well to the tooth structure, ensuring a secure fit. It comes in a universal shade, making it suitable for various applications. It blends in well with natural teeth. The kit includes everything you need for application. It contains powder, liquid, a mixing pad, a measuring spoon, and instructions. Everything is included for easy use. The primary component is zinc oxide eugenol. This material is known for its use in dental applications. It is a reliable and trusted material. What we like. This kit is perfect for instant fillings, bridges, and caps, offering a high-strength solution. It's self-curing and self-adherent, making the application process easy. If you need a quick and effective solution for dental repairs, this is the one for you. What people say. Polygrip Scope Dental Adhesive provides a strong hold. It has a fresh, clean mint taste. The product helps to seal out food particles. Number 3. Super Poligrip Extra Strength Denture Adhesive Powder, 6-pack. This is Super Poligrip, a denture adhesive powder. It comes in a convenient powder form, offering an alternative to creams. This product helps keep your denture secure all day. This denture adhesive powder is designed for a strong, all-day hold. It helps prevent food particles from getting trapped, ensuring a comfortable experience. You can rely on it to keep your dentures in place. Super Poligrip uses a zinc-free formula. This provides a comfortable fit you can count on. It's designed to give you confidence throughout the day. Enjoy the original fresh flavor of Super Poligrip. It provides a pleasant experience while keeping your denture secure. It's a simple way to freshen your mouth. Applying is easy. Sprinkle lightly and evenly, shake off excess, and press firmly. Bite down for a few seconds to secure the hold. It's that simple to use. This product is HSA and FSA eligible. This makes it a convenient option for those with these healthcare plans. It's a practical choice for your denture needs. What we like. This denture powder provides a convenient alternative to creams, ensuring your dentures stay in place all day. It prevents food particles from getting trapped, and it comes in Polygrip's original fresh flavor. If you prefer a powder adhesive and value a fresh taste, you should choose this. What people say. Polygrip Scope Dental Adhesive provides a strong hold. It has a fresh, clean mint taste. The product helps to seal out food particles. Number 2. Super Poligrip Extra Care Denture Adhesive Cream. This is Super Poligrip Extra Care Denture Adhesive Cream. It comes in a pack of 4 2.2-ounce tubes. It's designed to provide a strong, all-day hold for your dentures. This denture adhesive is perfect for partials. It helps keep your dentures or partial dentures securely in place throughout the day, so you can eat and speak with confidence. Super Poligrip Extra Care helps prevent gum irritation. It creates a protective layer, sealing out up to 74% more food particles. This ensures a more comfortable experience. This product is zinc-free, making it a safe choice. It creates a secure and comfortable fit between your dentures and gums, allowing you to enjoy your day without worry. The product features an ooze control tip. This ensures you use the right amount of adhesive, preventing waste and making application easy and precise. What we like. This cream provides a strong, all-day hold for your dentures or partial dentures. It helps prevent gum irritation by sealing out food particles, and it features a zinc-free formula for a safe and comfortable fit. If you have sensitive gums and need a reliable adhesive, you should consider this. What people say. Polygrip Scope Dental Adhesive provides a strong hold. It has a fresh, clean mint taste. The product is easy to apply. Number 1. Poligrip Power Max Plus Fresh Denture Cream, 4-pack. Introducing Poligrip Power Max Denture Cream. This product offers a strong hold and lasting freshness. It is designed to keep your dentures secure all day long. Poligrip Power Max is clinically proven for a strong hold. The precision nozzle ensures an all-around seal. This helps you feel confident throughout the day. This denture cream provides an all-day hold. It also helps prevent food particles from getting trapped. You can enjoy your meals without worry. Experience the refreshing taste of peppermint. Infused with spearmint and basil oils, it delivers lasting freshness. It will keep your mouth feeling clean and revitalized. The smaller tube size is perfect for travel. You can easily take it with you wherever you go. It ensures you have a secure and fresh feeling, anytime, anywhere. What we like. This denture cream offers the strongest hold and a refreshing peppermint flavor. The precision nozzle ensures an all-around seal for a secure fit. If you like a fresh, minty taste and need the most secure hold, you should choose this. What people say. Works great. Hold the teeth in place well. Works great and holds all day. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.